Good morning guys. Ndio kuamka, the early bird ndio anaamka. So spend a day with us. So we're going to get some chicken in town, Kenchik, and then we'll come back. Let's go! And our ride is here. We mzee
Sugoi mana kirodi ana retire.
Ndio kurauka? Twende.
Cheers.
Good morning guys, ndio kurauka, ndio tumefika town. What are we doing today?
Tuko town. Morning. So we are here to collect our chicks. I guess you can see
The receipt.
the receipt.
Yeah.
So we are going to do 500 and in 4 weeks, 5 weeks kutoka date 26 sisi tuko biashara mbaya sana. Yeah, so that's all of it. So tuko number 5
kwa queue. Na vile tumerauka hiki.
Na saizi ni ilikuwa 704.
704.
Ni number 5.
Yeah. Naonekana it's okay too.
Number 5.
Number 5 on the queue. Why did we come early? Tulitoka nyumbani like 6:30. Why? Kuna kwaga na queue. There are some people who take chicks even 2000 and above. So ndio to prevent kukaa kwa laini sana, we always come early. So we are number 5 on the queue. Tulifika up around 7, ilikuwa 7 something, 704 there. So we'll collect the chicks, as we have said, they are 500. Yeah, in 4 weeks time, 4 weeks, 5 weeks time, they'll be ready for the market. So that's our business today. Tuchukue, twende, we set them up kwa brooder, and then kuna kitu ingine, disinfecting the room was done yesterday. And all those are part of the preparation. We always do them earlier. Now today we just take the chicks, go do some vaccination, kuzipatia vitu ka glucose. We'll record them when we reach home. So we are just waiting for them to open, as they open at 8. Ndio tuendelee na shughuli
Kabisa.
But as of now tutaenda kwanza breakfast and then tujue ni aje kibandaski ama nitoaje ama Amerika.
Leo ni kibandaski.
Anyways, that's our shughuli for today. Picking up the chicks, setting up the brooder. Brooder ni penye zinapata joto until they grow some feathers, vitu kaa hizo. Ama? Ama exactly. What is the definition of brooder? Tunaweza isema kama?
Tukisema, okay, tunaweza sema it's where chicks are kept for 2 weeks until the feathers are zimetoa feathers, so they can able to sustain their own heat. Saizi ni tudogo, so you need to put them on warm.
Unataka chicks zikuwa on heat. Okay, warm.
Yeah, so ni hapo mali tutazieka. Kuna specifications zake, kuna hizo red light bulbs za joto. You can also do the jiko, but it's not cost effective. Makaa is not cost effective, na pia unaweza pata kuku zitakuwa na ugonjwa
na inconveniences kuamka usiku kuziongezea makaa vitu kama hizo. So
just go electric way. Soon hata unaweza tumia solar or electricity.
Like kama home to incorporate solar, but not for the heat, mostly ni for the lighting. With time tuta incorporate the heat. But on God. Otherwise we'll continue from there. The other things I think we'll do them at home, like show you how we give them water, glucose, in order, because of that journey zinakuwa zimeshtuka,
to ease them.
Yeah, so to ease them we give them glucose in order to strengthen them na vitu kaa hizo. Na vaccination will give you that whole process ya vaccination.
Yep.
And all, but mostly they come pre-vaccinated. We only give them, I think, one vaccine.
Yeah, Newcastle only. The Newcastle
only the
vaccine.
Newcastle. What is the purpose of the Newcastle?
There's a kunakwaga na ugonjwa ingine ya kuku.
Yes.
They have something like, how is Mahira called it? Pass. Yeah, pass on the eyes. So it's preventing them against that.
Yeah. Glucose for strengthening them, giving them
antibiotics,
strength.
vitamins,
vitamins, yeah. Otherwise, chakula kuku ulienda?
Oh yeah, we normally feed them pembe. Guys, check out pembe. They have the best feed when it comes to mash, crumbs, or the pellets.
Yeah.
So for the pembe feeds, we already have them. We're going to start with pembe mash. I guess we took 3 bags.
Yeah.
And then
you already
pembe
took
crumbs. Yeah. Then after there, we just finish off with the finisher pellets and the finisher crumbs.
That's okay. So what do you start with? The feeds?
The feeds, we start with mash.
Yeah. Mash.
Then we go to starter
mash
crumbs.
For how many weeks?
For about 1 week.
1 week.
And then the starter crumbs.
It is starter mash and then starter crumbs
for another week till week 2.
Yeah.
Then from week 3 onwards, you can start with finisher crumbs, since they are less. Okay, they are when you jump off to the finisher pellets, they are a bit strong. So you need first to introduce them to the crumbs, then finish off with the pellets.
Yeah. That is
so
in
for
the
about
4th week,
5th week. By the 5th week,
they are also strong. You need to give them a lot of water. Like I've realized mine zinakunywa maji
sana, lazima wakunywe maji.
Acha nafikiria kuintroduce hiyo automatic drinkers. Juu manza na build huku muscles kubebana na maji tu.
You can have that nini. Wewe tu utakuwa una pump, kama ni dawa pia unaweka kwa hako kanini. It will just come out automatically. Tutaonyesha as we reach week 3, I guess.
Now I want us to discuss about chicken. You have been keeping chicken for how long?
10 years.
10 years
down the line.
10 years down the line. Wewe na Ruto experience ni hivi.
Same.
I hope next year by in the next few years utakuwa za airport seller. Anyway, so first of all, where do you get your chicken from?
Kenchik.
Yeah.
They have the best. Actually, I've never bought chicks away from Kenchik.
Why Kenchik?
Kuku mfalme.
Why Kenchik?
I can say their cost, plus I've been their customer for quite a while. So the interactions and the interactions that I've had with Kenchik and their reliability is top notch. So no change in brand. And
I realize nowadays their chicken come pre-vaccinated. You only give one.
So that's the advantage. That's the advantage of Kenchik. They come pre-vaccinated. We only just supplement with one vaccine. That's the Newcastle vaccine. Unlike the previous years, we've been giving Newcastle Guboro vaccines. So they have reduced the cost of vaccination costs. So we only just give one vaccine after 8 days.
Another question: how many years, months, weeks do a chick from Kenchik take to grow? From being a chick to a
full-grown chicken,
ready for the market. Zako zinachukua how long?
4 weeks. By 5 weeks, you should be clearing your chicken store. They should be mature.
So tuseme 4 to 5 weeks.
4 to 5 weeks
abo
to go.
Ziko ready. Ikiwa ready, iko na like how many kgs?
Let's say a good market chicken should be about 1.5 kgs to 1.7 kgs.
Ni mzuri.
Or even 1.2. You can range from
1.2 to
1.2. Let's say 1.2 to 1.7. That's the average.
The average chicken.
Wait.
So I see today we have come for some chicks. Ukichukua hapa kuku, how many are you picking today?
I'm going to take 500 pieces.
Only broilers. Ukitoka nazo hapa, what is the first thing you do with them?
So prior to, we had sprayed and disinfected the chicken Cugo.
Yes.
Cugo is a store where you keep your chicken. So we had disinfected its drinkers.
Yeah.
And also right now the room is preheated. By preheating I mean I've lit
the room is on heat.
The room is on heat. I've lit lights to produce the warmth
heat,
and heat to that room.
Yeah.
So when we reach, the room will be already warmer. First thing we're going to do, yesterday we took some medicines for the cuckoos. That includes the vitamin, antibiotics, glucose, and also there's some supplements that we also took.
Yeah.
So for the first day, for the first 2 hours, you need to give the chicken the antibiotics
and glucose,
vitamins, and the glucose. That's
why?
To give them strength, since they have been, and isn't them since they have been transported overnight.
Yeah.
They are produced in Nairobi, so when they come to Nakuru or being distributed all over the country, is the transportation that happens over the night.
Yeah.
So you need to ease them. At least they have that bit of energy. Then later on, you're going, after the 1 hour, 2 hour mark, you're going to now put feeds for them so that they may continue now in their store.
So zikifika unazieka hapo, and then you now feed. You give them water, and this water has glucose, vitamins and antibiotics. Na kama vile tumesema ni ya kusaidia kuzirelax juu zimetravel overnight. Maybe they are being brought to their branches. Like in our case, we are picking them from the Nakuru branch. Let's go now on feeding. Which feeds do you use?
For today, they are day one.
Yeah.
All chicks. So we are going to start them softly with pembe starter mash. Then
starter mash.
Yeah, starter mash. Yeah. But we highly recommend pembe. Yeah. So after starter mash, that's week 1. You can now introduce them to the starter crumbs, still from pembe. Then from week 3 to
your starter crumbs ni from week 2.
From week 1 mark, you can give them from week 1 to week 2. Yeah. Starter crumbs.
Yeah.
Then week 3 to week 4, you can do finisher crumbs.
Yeah.
Then there on the 3 weeks, 5 days, you can introduce them now to the finisher pellets to boost and enhance their growth. So zikuondoke to as early as possible.
Yeah. We also use liquid paraffin. Mostly we put it in water, in the drinkers.
We just put drips around.
Yeah.
Just
in order to prevent them from constipating. Because when young chicks constipate, they can die easily.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So after that, 5 weeks, zishaenda. The beauty about Ken chicks, ziko pre-vaccinated. You only give them, I think, one vaccine. Tulisema inaitwaje?
Newcastle vaccine at day 8.
Day 8 is when you give Newcastle vaccine. Now let's talk from a business perspective. Chicks, why kuku?
For broilers,
mbona kuku wataka kuwa Ruto?
Hata Ruto anatafuta through kuku. So
why chicken? Why the chicken business?
I can say this
because clearly you put kienyeji, improved kienyeji na bado broilers. But wanaweka mifugo mingi, so we are just talking about chicken today, and then next time we'll go to their farm. Yeah.
So for chickens, I can say that for me, apart from the business perspective, it also gives me other benefits such as manure. And such. So in the business perspective, I can say this: chicken rearing has a lot of money, especially for broilers. And one trick about broilers: the more you put, the more the profit margin. So when you do about 300 to 500, that's a good.
I'm at 300 and above. 2,000, 10,000.
Yeah, but
bora uko na market usizikule.
Utabaki ukikulaga kuku kila siku uchukie kama mimi. So the more you put, the more the profit margin. Plus it's easier to manage.
Kwanza nowadays with just one vaccination, it's easier.
It's very
Chakula, the only hectic part ni the first week.
First week, since they are very delicate, they are very active. They will be active, running around, doing all sorts of nini. But after the 2 week mark, ni hivyo. Wewe hata unaweza kuwa unaziwekea tu maji asubuhi and feeds, go about your shughlis, come back jioni zishughulikie and you're done.
How much do you get these chicks from? From Kenchick?
From Kenchick, it's 105 Kenchick, guys.
105. How much do you normally sell them for? You can give us a range.
A range?
Because of business purposes.
500 to 550.
Yeah. 500 to 550.
Yeah.
For and the beauty, it is only 4 weeks. Unaweza kwa ukilipa rent na hizi kuku.
You can pay rent.
Just do your due diligence. Look for a market.
Due diligence on marketing. Na pia marketing sana.
Na pia nyumba yako, because the area you keep them is so important.
It's so important. Kukue vaccinated, well aerated.
Especially air. Kukue na flow of air kabisa. And also cleanliness. And you'll be okay. So we are good.
Yep.
Yeah. Otherwise, from there we'll take you. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and then now we'll take you to the process of bringing them from town to zipeleke home, how we prepare them, nini, all of those. Yeah.
So stay tuned and cheers.
Time to unbox them. You place the box on the corners in order when you release them they come to the lid. Ndio tulikuwa tunaambia brooder. You can see how excited they are.